Hello everyone! For today's video, I'm gonna show you what to do before, during, and after an earthquake for our safety and preparedness. But before that, let us first talk about what is an earthquake. Now let's get on to the video. Earthquake is a trembling of the Earth's crust that caused by a sudden release of energy causes the seismic waves that make the ground shake. It happens when rocks underground suddenly breaks along a fault. In addition, earthquakes can destroy buildings, especially that is made out of brick, stone, or concrete that is to collapse when shaken and causes the most fatal injuries. Now that we finished that part, let's go on to the main discussion for today. First off, what to do before an earthquake. First, always do not forget to listen news reports about the updates around the area. Second, prepare an emergency kit that contains a flashlight, radio, extra batteries, extra clothes, foods, drinks, etc. Also, bring a first aid kit for precautionary measures. Third, familiarize yourself the exit routes. Fourth, make sure you are not in a place that has heavy objects such as shelves and picture frames. Fifth, make sure to turn off the electricity or powered sources. Now for the next part, what are you gonna do during an earthquake? First, always be alert, stay calm, and be vigilant on your surroundings. Second, stay away from buildings that are tall and already damaged. Third, do the regular earthquake drills, which are duck, cover, and hold. Go under to a table or desk and hold it firmly until the shaking stops. Fourth, always listen and follow the instructions given by the person in charge. Fifth, if you are outside, go straight away to an open area, away from streetlights, trees, and power lines. And last but not the least, let me tell you what to do after an earthquake. First, leave the place if it's possible. Second, go to the nearest evacuation area. Third, check yourself and the others get any injuries from the disaster. Call for assistance as needed. Fourth, follow the guidelines that was instructed by the person in charge. Fifth, see if there were gas leaks and an electricity shortage. This is the end of our discussion for today. Hopefully you know what to do before, during, and after an earthquake. Always be prepared and make sure to do these tips.